How to fix Google Meet camera not working. Part 1, Google Meet camera not working on PC. 1. Check the camera permission for the Google Meet app. 2. Check the camera permission. In Google Chrome. 3. Check camera access settings. 4. Check if any other app is using camera, Skype, Discord, and alike. 5. Check for browser updates and restart the browser. 6. Update webcam drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Check the camera connectivity and ensure you're using the correct camera. Part 2, fix camera not working on app/phone. Restart your phone. Check camera access for Google Meet. Check if any other app is using your phone's camera. Update your app.